My name is Shynggys. I'm an ACCA member from Astana, Kazakhstan. I'm a lead accountant at KMG Kashagan BV. It's an oil and gas company operating mainly in Kazakhstan. It's one of the largest oil producers in our country. Also, I'm a Big Four alumni. I worked in tax consulting for a long time. Generally, I specialize in corporate taxation matters, also international taxation. I heard about ACCA first time in my life when I was a student pursuing a bachelor's degree. My friends told me about ACCA qualification, but at that time I thought that ACCA was unachievable for me. I don't know why, but I think it was my fault. A second time I heard about ACCA when I started my career at a Big Four firm. I met many ACCA members, and I noticed one interesting coincidence. All ACCA members, they had good positions, they were very smart and positive people with excellent finance skills. So I asked myself, hey, look at these people, do you want to be like them? And my answer was yes. So I set a goal to start an ACCA journey and become a member. Comparing to other qualifications, I understood that ACCA is the best one that gives you opportunity to gain comprehensive knowledge in a variety, in wide range of skills. More than 100 countries where ACCA is recognized. So it's a big opportunity because I want to travel with my ACCA around the world. Opportunity to work everywhere, so it's a very good option for everybody. After getting my ACCA membership, I noticed that many companies started to reach me with new job opportunities. So I finally realized, oh wow, look, now you can reap all the benefits from your investment, from your hard work, from your effort. The biggest challenge was managing time. I spent my time to work, personal life, family, friends, entertainment. It was very hard to achieve and maintain a work ACCA balance. It was very challenging to me because I think for everybody it's very hard to find additional free time, especially for education. A second challenge, it was dealing with burnout. I decided to pass my professional level exams in a 6 months period. Now I understand that it was a crazy decision, but I'm happy that I didn't fail. I used my planning skills to overcome this issue of time management. I understood that I need approximately 1,000 hours in order to pass all exams and for preparation. So on average, it's 1 hour per day during 3 years of my ACCA journey. My solution was decreasing time spent for social media and TV series. The most important impact is knowledge, because I always use crucial knowledge that I obtained from all ACCA papers, especially performance management, SBL. And secondly, promotions. ACCA helped me with promotions. At my previous work, I remember my managers, they drew attention to how many ACCA papers I passed. So it was a real impact of ACCA to my promotions. Thirdly, getting a new job. During my interview, my future employer, she looked at my CV and noted, oh, you passed almost all ACCA exams. You're a future member. That's a very good sign. So I got a new job. So it's wonderful. There are also other benefits of being ACCA member. For instance, ACCA network, where ACCA members share their experience, news, job opportunities. We also have annual ACCA meetings, where I found many new friends, and all of them are very good guys. My general advice, if you want to stand out from the crowd and get job offers from the best employers, or if you want to gain skills to start your own business, ACCA should be your #1 priority. My advice to affiliates, carefully think what you are doing, properly thinking about your objectives and focus on them and always discuss all of them with your supervisor. It's better if your supervisor is an ACCA member, because such supervisor can help you to achieve your performance objectives faster than you expect. My advice to current students: keep your head up even if you fail, because it doesn't matter what's tripping you out, there's always a way to go.